First, I'll hold the mount up right where I want to hang my solar panel, and I'll make an indentation in the wood to mark where I'll drill my pilot hole. I drilled the hole using a 1/16 inch drill bit. Now I'll drive the first screw in, then I'll drill the second pilot hole, and drive the second screw in to secure the mount for the solar panel. I'll slide the panel onto the mount until it securely locks into place. I did forget to mention, to take the panel off of the mount, you pull up on this tab and slide it off. I'll adjust the panel how I want it, and turn this plastic ring to tighten it in place. For my stick-up cam, I need to attach this barrel adapter, making sure it's firmly pushed all the way in. Next, I'll wrap the excess cable around this piece to help with cable management. Then I'll remove this rubber plug from the back of my camera, and that's the hole that we plug the solar panel's cord into. For your solar panel's location, make sure you install it where it gets the most direct sunlight. Ring recommends that if you're in the southern hemisphere to direct your panel to the north, and if you're in the northern hemisphere to direct your panel to the south, and to have it facing the sun at a 45-degree angle. I didn't do this for this particular panel, but I do recommend following Ring's guidelines. Once you've finished connecting your solar panel to your camera, you should notice that the battery icon for the camera in the Ring app will have a little sun as part of the icon, letting you know that it now detects the solar panel. So that's how you install the solar panel. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.